This is Helpscreen, and this is how to fix Doordash app won't let me place order. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so just follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you 4 solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store, and then here just search for DoorDash, and when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And for the first solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So guys, for the second solution, just go to your settings, and then from there, just go to the apps and find DoorDash over here and tap on it, and tap on storage. And from here guys, make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And guys, for the third solution is try reinstalling the application. So first, uninstall the application on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back and go ahead and install the application again. But guys, if this doesn't work, all you have to do now is just go to your browser, and from here, just type in DoorDash customer support. And then from here, guys, just tap on the first one, customer support. And then from here, you will have two options. You can either chat with the customer support or you can call them. So as you can see here down below, chat with us in the DoorDash app and call us for this number. And guys, either of the two will work. So just tap any of those. When you tap on chat with us, it will redirect you to the DoorDash application. And then from there, you just need to log in and you will have a chat with the customer support and just explain them the issue. And then from there, they will provide solutions for you. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.